Hey friends, whenever you visit a website on any of these browsers like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, the website stores some cookies. And why does it store these cookies? So that at a later stage, when you open that website again, there's an image of that website locally stored on the computer, and it opens very quick. So, how do you access the location of this folder on your system? I have mentioned all of these paths in the description section of this video. For Chrome, copy this command line, press the Windows key and the R key together, and paste it, and then hit enter. The cookies folder is the folder where all of these cookies are stored. Now it's very similar for Edge, because Edge is also Chromium based browser. The only difference is that instead of Google Chrome, you change it to Microsoft Edge. Press Windows plus R, paste it here, hit enter. And the last one is Firefox. So it has a different command line, but it's okay. All you need to do is copy paste it, press the Windows key and the R key together, paste it, and hit enter, and you'll find all the cookies here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day.